Yo, what's up guys? It's Mystic, and for this video, as you can see on your screen right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys the new companion app that App Valley just created. Now before we start, please like and subscribe if you are new, or just please like the video because I hope you guys like it because I like making videos for you. But anyway, let's get right into the tutorial. So first thing, I'll have this link in the description. Hit download. It's gonna take you to this screen. You could just hit allow because it's basically just telling you that are you allowing it to download, so you can be able to download the apps that you want. You just hit allow. It's going to download, and then also on the website it tells you the different steps that you will have to do in order to make it work. But I'm gonna show you guys, that's what this video is for. I'm gonna go ahead and show you step by step everything you're gonna have to do. So when you download it, go ahead and open it up, and then it should pop up somewhere on the screen. So just hit open. Going to do that. Now since it's your first time opening it, and it's also downloaded from a random website, well, it's not random, but it's from App Valley, Apple doesn't like that, so you're going to have to hit open anyway. Now once you hit that, it should go ahead and open, and then if you look on the top of your screen, you should have this up here, which is actually the App Store logo, so it's going to still be up there. Now if you can't install it to your device, you're going to have to do a few steps first, which you're going to have to actually add the mail plugin, which I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you click on your mail, then you're going to go to your mail preferences. So as soon as this loads up, it's going to look like this, and you're just going to click on your manage plugins. And for some reason I already have it installed, even though this is my first time installing the companion, but I guess because I installed Alt Store, I don't know if they use the same plugin, but I don't have to do it again. But this would be the screen that you would go to. You would click it and you would click the add and restart, and then once you do that, you will actually be able to install the plugin, and then you could click on that screen to install it. And I could also uninstall it, but I wouldn't do that because I already have it installed, so there's no reason for me to uninstall it. But that's where you would click install, and then this is where you would actually add in the plugin. Now without all that, once you have the plugin and it's running, your mail app is running, you're going to have to type in your username and password, of course, because it has to go through Apple because it's actually signing these apps. And it's just going to load up. So you install it, it's going to pop up this message, just hit continue on it. Now we're just going to wait, and with this you can actually hit allow on this. It just gives you notifications, which hit allow, and it's just telling me everything that the app is doing, which it actually should tell me when it's done installing, which there you go. So now we're right on the device. Alright, so once you first click on it, you're going to have to trust it. So you're going to go to your settings, go to your general profile and device management, and then literally click on the email that you use, and that should be it. You just trusted it. Now you open this, and that's it. Now everything that you sign under this app will automatically be trusted because it's all under the same certificate, which is your self-signing certificate that we got now on our device. So these are the apps that's already on it, which of course they're going to keep adding more and more apps every single day. So by the time this video go up, there's probably a lot more. Now I'm gonna just show you examples. So Instagram, you're gonna have to type in your username password again, of course. Just for each app you install, it's going to make you do that. So go ahead, hit that, go ahead, let this load. Alright, so once you go ahead and hit it, alright, it should open, but I guess because I have two Instagrams, it's not opening. But I'm gonna still show you guys other ways that you can get more apps anyway. So this app right here, or this website, iOS Ninja, they're real good because they have a lot of IPAs that you can install and even self-install with this new companion app. So say I want YouTube++, click on it, and right here you could download IPA. You can't install it right now because it's not signed, which is probably another reason that this is better. So you will hit the download IPA. Going to take you to this link. Go ahead and hit the download arrow. It should say download, and then you see on the top right the little down arrow with the loading. That's it's downloading, so go ahead and let this download. And once it's done, you click on it, click the share icon, and then you're going to actually go to more, and then you go to the bottom or wherever you see the companion app and just share it to that. Now once you do that, it should open up the companion app, and then this is where it should actually start installing the app. So we're going to let it download, and boom, and then that is it. So as you can see, now I have YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and let's see, and boom. So it's going to open. Keep in mind this is also a beta still, so that's probably why everything is a little wonky. But by the time this video go up, I'm sure they'll have way more apps and everything's going to be signed. But anyway, before you leave, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.